and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting balloons. These are the colors that you'll be needing. All the colors. Just choose a variation of a bunch of your favorite colors that you would like to include. Also be sure to have some white paint, a black pen or a pencil, some paper, and your fingers. Don't forget, share your paintings with me using the hashtag in the bio to be featured as the artist of the week. Now, let's begin. Balloons are super easy to paint. What I like to do is take a color and just kind of make a little circle that comes down into a point. And this is part of the fun, using all the colors. Just keep making balloons. And you can have more than one balloon of the same color. We're just doing a big old bunch of balloons here. So how easy is that? Like, this is one of the easiest paintings I can think of that you can do with your fingers that really looks great and can impress other people around you. It's like you know what you're doing. And another thing is, if you overlap your colors like I'm doing here, that's all right, because actual balloons overlap as well. And sometimes balloons are see-through, so you can see through one balloon into another one for color. Balloons are not always the same shape. Some balloons are very round, other balloons look like maybe a heart. Or maybe the balloon is very thin and squiggly. Very thin balloon. Let's throw that in there. Okay, just keep adding balloons until you're very happy with what your balloons look like. I'm gonna throw in a couple of extra. We've got some yellow down there. We need some yellow down here as well. All right, a little bit of red. This is just something that you can do to have fun and just really make what makes you happy. So we got a little bit of extra, that's all right. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of extra purple on there. So we've got a big bunch of balloons. Now what I'm gonna do is take my white and just creating these little peaks on my fingers, I'm going to just dot the balloons, and this is going to create kind of a highlight color. If you start picking up the other colors, wipe your fingers off on a towel and pick up some more white. And we're just creating these little lights from where the light would be reflecting off of the balloon is what we're doing right here. Ooh, that one, we got a lot on that one, and then we got green on there. Let me wipe that off. I'm gonna actually go back in with my green and just go over that a little bit. Look. It's like it never happened. Another reason why this is one of the easiest things that you can finger paint. Oh, I got some orange on. So clean my finger off. And we just added some highlights to all of our balloons. So we have a bunch of really shiny balloons. Maybe we want to add a little bit of a highlight on a different side. So see, we can do that. Just whatever you feel like is going to really make your balloons pop. But you don't really want to pop the balloons. You want them to pop off the page, but not pop. All right, taking our black pen, I'm going to make the strings of the balloons. So the balloons, I'm all gonna make it come to a point like right about here. So we're gonna go down and through. And I'm just drawing lines, very simple. And maybe this balloon would start here. You can't see it through that balloon, but I'm gonna carry it, pick it up, and go through. And this is how you just create these amazing shapes. Now it's easier to use a pen or a pencil for this than, for example, to use a marker. So that's why I don't recommend using a marker. I've tried using markers for this and it just looks too heavy. So a bunch of balloons are coming out to this side. I need to make some balloons come out from this side. And it's okay if the balloons don't have straight lines coming off of them. Maybe their line, their string has a little bit more character than that. It's okay if they cross over each other. Again, we're just creating these strings from the balloons so that we don't have any balloons floating off into space, because that's very sad when we lose our balloons. When they pop or when they float off, both of which is really sad. Now, because the balloons need a little bit of a tie, we're gonna make a little bit of a bow right here. You can make 2 circles that are connected or an 8 on its side, both of which are okay. And there you have it, a bundle of balloons. How easy was that? Super duper easy, and I think it's a great way to make a really colorful, fun finger painting. This is on a small scale, but you could also make this really big. Throw a little happy birthday on it, and it makes a super nice birthday card that somebody would definitely appreciate. All right, you guys, ta-da, we have it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time, sending you some love. Bye.